Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Facebook Marketplace not being available on your Facebook account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, like and subscribe if you find it useful. So there's a couple of things that we have to take in mind. First of all, we're going to make sure that the application is up to date, but in this case I'm using the browser version, which also might help you out if the application is bugging. Also, a second solution is to make sure that you're 18 or that your account is set to 18 years of age. So let's check it together. Go to your settings, go to account information, personal details. And as you can see, my birth year is in 2004, so which means that I am 18 years of age. So Facebook Marketplace can work for me. But what also you can do is you can shake the phone and then it tells you to report a problem. Once you do that, click on report and then include complete logs and wherever, include the report. And then you can tell them fully your account name and that everything is settled and you're up to date, but your Facebook Marketplace isn't working. And hopefully this should fix it and attach with it the end image. Final resolution might be obvious, but you can simply make a new account and set it to another country in which it works, and then from Facebook Marketplace you can simply switch your area, and then from there you can do your deals. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.